Hi, welcome back. Some of you might have encountered the video that I'll be undertaking the FDMO challenge a couple of weeks ago, and I think I mentioned that I'll be using expert advices as well to attempt it. Well, so what happened was this: I didn't give any updates, and it should be long expired, or it would have been due already, and I've not given any updates on it because I'll be retaking the challenge. Well, you can retake the challenge if you are able to keep those targets while being able to maintain profits in your challenge account. So for the benefit of those of you who do not know what FDMO is, FDMO, they are offering funded accounts to traders who are able to to trade with. Okay, and in order to do that, you got to go through, of course, they need to see whether you are able to trade and also handle risk well, whether you're able to manage the risk properly. So you have to go through two stages. The first one is challenge, and the other one is verification. Now, once you have completed these two stages, you will be then qualified to be a FTMO trader, and then you get to uh, earn 70% of whatever profits that you make on that account that you're trading with. So there is that. Now, there is a group of people who prefers to manual trade, but if you are like me, who lacks knowledge and do not know how to read charts well, and maybe you do not possess the qualities of a trader, the discipline behind it, or you lack patience as well like me, then perhaps you might consider attempting FTMO using expert advisors. And with that having said so, I am very pleased to announce to you that today I have launched Flickr Signature. Well, Flickr Signature is another product under the Flickr product line, whereby Signature was designed specifically for for those of you who like to take on the FTMO trial or challenge using an expert advisor. Now, the thing about Flickr Signature is that it only works on FTMO servers. I have tried replicating the settings and using it on other brokers. Somehow it wouldn't work, and instead of getting the profits that I have seen on the FTMO server, on the trial, on the challenge, somehow I do not see that on other brokers. I don't know why. Okay, and I've actually started running Signature on an FTMO trial today, and this is how it is performing so far. Okay, so yeah, it is already at 400 plus in profit. Now when I just check it moments ago, it's actually 500 plus in profit, but it has a floating profit of a negative $100. So yeah, that's why it's only showing 400 here. Okay, and it only reached a maximum daily loss of 266 US dollars so far. And the best part was I only started running this like 11 hours ago. That was like just before I entered into London session, that kind of thing, and it's really on so much profits. So if you were to do the challenge, okay, if you are taking on the 25k challenge, for example, like I did, you will only need like 5 days, 5 trading days to pass the challenge. You get what I'm saying? So this is the kind of performance or benchmark that you could be looking at if you are using Signature. Okay, now if you planned, or if you are keen on to trying out Signature, I'm actually giving out trials so that you can experience it yourself. Now some people might actually ask, okay, so this signature is an EA for FDMO, and then you said, Abel, you said that you have run it on, trials, and then you have tested it and so on and so forth. Where's the proof? Okay, show us something. But instead of showing you something that could be doctored anyway, why not you experience it yourself? So I was thinking that I'll give you a trial, okay, which expires on the 18th of October, and then you get to play with it, you get to run it. Now the settings are all there. All you got to do is just slap it onto XAU USD Go chart and just let it run. Now the only thing to take note is that you should start signature when the market opens for the day, that is at 6 a.m. at plus 8 GMT. Okay, and another thing is, if you look here, okay, you will need a VPS with low latency. Strongly recommends one with no more than 2 millisecond. Now it is due to this strategy that I'm using in signature, whereby it scalps and it requires the EA to close positions fast and reopens it like in the blink of an eye. I mean, this is also the reason why Flickr, or how Flickr got its name, like how the light flickers, okay, that quick, okay. So you'll be seeing how Flickr works, or how it was born into, from a concept into a product that you see today. So yeah, if you're interested, just download the free trial. Now remember, only to run this on the FDMO server, because I've tried running the same set on other brokers, it would not work. Instead of getting the profits that I would see on a FDMO trial, or even when I was doing the challenge, I encountered losses instead. I do not know why. Maybe it's a pricing, or whatever not that's behind the scene. So yeah, I hope this will serve you well, and yeah, all the best. All the best. See ya.